banking pagers. After inspection and sorting, the coins enter automated packaging systems. Precise counting equipment ensures every tube
Have you ever wondered how the Yemeni Riyal is made? The journey begins here, in Yemen's cotton fields.
Did you know that
where every banknote
Yemeni
starts
Riyal
its
begins
remarkable
its journey as either
transformation?
cotton or metal? Yemen's banknotes are produced using specialized security paper that contains built-in protection features such as watermarks and security threads. These features help make genuine currency difficult to counterfeit. Each banknote passes through multiple printing stages where security inks, detailed artwork, Arabic text, and unique serial numbers are added with extreme precision. Meanwhile, Yemen's coins begin as large metal coils. High-speed blanking presses punch thousands of circular coin blanks, which are then struck under tremendous pressure to create
The raw cotton is precisely shredded into microscopic fibers, preparing it for the specialized currency production stage. The automated bale opening system is the first step, where synchronized rollers
How
tear
Yemeni
apart the
money
dense
is made.
cotton blocks
What if I
for
told you that the
processing.
money used across Yemen starts as cotton and giant rolls of metal? Every year, millions of Yemeni banknotes and coins must be produced, secured, counted, and distributed across the country. Banknotes begin as specially manufactured security paper, protected by watermarks,
cotton
security
fibers enter the
threads, and
massive
advanced
washing
printing
drums,
techniques.
beginning the rigorous
Massive
purification
printing presses
process
then add
essential for
detailed
creating
designs,
high-quality
security
currency
inks,
paper.
and unique serial numbers to every note. Coins follow a completely different journey. Giant metal coils are transformed into thousands of coin blanks before powerful minting presses strike the official Yemeni designs onto every coin. After automated counting, packaging, and vault storage, armored transport systems deliver the currency to banks throughout Yemen. From raw materials to finished money, this is the complete journey of the Yemeni Riyal.
Orzitrates. Green and yellow pigment concentrates enter a separate mixing system designed specifically for high-denomination currency production.
Advanced UV reactive compounds are added to specially prepared ink batches inside a restricted laboratory environment.
Cores. Massive currency printing presses stand ready as technicians transport the engraved cylinders into the production hall.
Every banknote must be accurately counted and organized. Automated counting systems
Stations. Before distribution, currency bundles receive protective packaging designed to safeguard the banknotes during storage and transportation. After months of planning, production, printing, security integration, and packaging, the Yemeni Riyal begins its final journey. Before entering circulation, newly produced currency is stored within highly secured vaults. Every shipment is tracked.
Manifest confirmed for distribution zone south.
Verified. Preparing for transport.
All units, status green.
Manifest confirmed. Bay 3 secure. Roger that. Ready for transport.
The coin blanks enter the rotating edge-forming equipment. Precision machinery then creates the raised rims and protective edges. During striking, immense pressure transfers detailed designs onto every coin. This process creates the official appearance and identity of Yemen's circulating coinage. Pagers. After inspection and sorting, the coins enter automated packaging systems. Precise counting equipment ensures every tube Automated systems secure the shipments. The completed cartons filled with Yemeni coins travel toward the massive steel vault doors, ready for distribution.